Welcome to the Data Janitor. My name's Mike West and thanks for joining me. In this video, let's start learning about Snowflake. It's become one of the most popular data warehouses on the market. Notice I said data warehouses. It's not a database you use to create an online store. It's a database designed solely for analytics. We're starting off at a high level. Why? Because if this is a career you're thinking about pursuing, you'll need to know what it is before you can administrate it. Here's how to use this video. If someone were to ask you, what are the key facets to Snowflake? This is what you're going to tell them. Trust me, at some point, someone's going to ask. Let's start with a broad definition of a data warehouse. A data warehouse stores data for analytics. It's not the database you use for building an online store. It's a database used for reports or machine learning. A data warehouse is populated from outside data sources. Data is moved from the outside data sources, mostly relational databases, into the data warehouse. Snowflake is a structured data store. It can store semi-structured data. However, that data must be saged into a tabular format. A tabular format is a table. If you're having a hard time with structured versus unstructured data, think about it this way. The closer your data is to an Excel spreadsheet, the more structured it is. Almost everything in the data world deals with moving or massaging data into a tabular format. Snowflake is not a standalone product. You can't download it and install it on your laptop or another computer for that matter. Snowflake only works on 3 different cloud platforms, the big 3. They are AWS, Azure, and GCP. Snowflake is serverless. A serverless architecture is a way to build and run applications as a service without having to manage infrastructure. Your application still runs on the servers, but all the server management is done by the cloud you decide to put it on. With a serverless product like Snowflake, I don't have anything to do other than to create an account, log into the account, and then start using it. A serverless architecture is a big deal for companies. Companies don't have to worry about installing, patching, or scaling to meet their increasing data demands. All that is done behind the curtain. Like all SQL vendors, Snowflake has its own SQL flavor. That flavor is called SnowSQL. The good news for developers and administrators is SQL is SQL. Now, this was a short video, but it does provide you with what Snowflake is at a high level. Now, in upcoming videos, we'll move down the rabbit hole, but we need to walk before we can run. Here's something that's on the verge of the red pill. Data is stored differently in Snowflake. It's not stored like relational databases on disk. It's stored in something called a columnar format. This makes Snowflake and other products like it, like BigQuery, extremely fast and scalable. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you soon.